Predators are a natural component of nature. It's hard to assign values to, because every component of nature is valued, because everything is connected to everything else in nature. Predators have a particularly special role to play in nature largely because what predators are animals that eat other animals, and they eat animals that themselves eat plants, and so that connects everything down through the ecosystem from the top predators, we call the big ones top predators, who manage these populations that are eating grass and trees and bushes so that they're not munching those to death, so to speak, because those grasses and trees and bushes are homes for thousands of other species in nature, and they are kind of the natural regulators of nature, I think would be a good way to put it.